doesn't find it difficult for us. And we found it out of plus 4,000 with trainer wins. Now, our next speaking words are just like a numeric total, monogamous, meaning they will remain our partner for life. Pretty romantic, right? But, as any couple relatives in a relationship, there will always be but. Means Sassy and Rocky are beautiful work of couples. But today, they will be battling now to see who's the best in the basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. So all the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you cheer. Sassy! 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 Very good. So how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you cheer. Rocky! 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 Very well. So girls ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here's Rocky for the first goal. Followed by Sassy. And second one for Rocky. And it's a time for the last goal is gonna win. And Rocky wins! Trainer Vina, what can you say about that? Who's this time?
Oh, we want another race.
Oh, we want another race, Trainer Birds.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what's the race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So, the ring race, it shall be. Remember guys, boys have already 1 point and girls, come on. Let's cheer Sassy to win this time. And we will do this again. And this time, our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocky for the first ring. Followed by the second ring. What's the ring? Sassy wins! The winners at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy! Trainer first, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
You think you cheated?
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, it is true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Around the applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Vina and the first. By putting the shape box into the correct slab. Just like Sassy, great couples from South America are the gentle giant of the Bacon family. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest couples. They can grow up to 92 centimeter length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnodophila. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, soap, minerals along the river banks. And for the last shape, come on, Sassy. There you go, intelligent right? Round of applause for Sassy with Trainer Vina. This next part of the program will leave people baffled in a maze. Even as trainers, do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I've been reading by 2 numbers between 1 to 50. Any numbers between 1 to 50? Come on guys, what numbers? Alright, so the first number is number 7. So how about the second number? What number? Okay, so the second number is number 10. So the equation is 7 plus 10. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve this equation. But first, Trainer Birds will shuffle the numbers. Now let's call our
unexpected number. Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Oh my God!
And he gets